Good afternoon, Father Muckers. It's me, Kentrell, with your gaslit weather, or whatever version of morning they've signed off after last night's little sky shift. Bit more cloud around today compared to recent days, but don't worry, the official line is still high pressure, firmly in control. Yeah, because yesterday was a flawless blue sky all day, wasn't it? Not a mark on it, not a whisper of anything up there. Until about 6 o'clock, when suddenly the skies got busy. Funny that, must have all clocked in at the same time. Out towards the west, there's a weak front, already dragging in that smeared out haze across Ireland, pushing into Northern Ireland through the day. Standard stuff apparently, just your routine evening rollout drifting into daytime cover. More high-level cloud spreading across England and Wales, bit hazy, bit milky, like someone's taken a perfect sky and gently rubbed it out. Towards the east, some areas stuck under thicker cloud, North Sea coasts, eastern Scotland, duller skies, maybe a few spots of light rain. Always the same places, always the same pattern, almost like it's planned to look uneven. Most places though, dry, sunny, warming up. High teens, low 20s, lovely numbers on paper. Light winds as well, so everything just hangs nicely, doesn't go anywhere, just sits there. Now, a lot of people were told we were getting a full week of uninterrupted sunshine, and fair play, some of you actually believed that. Bless you. Honestly, still trusting the mainstream forecast like it's gospel while the sky's literally changing shift patterns above your head. If that cloud lingers near the east, it'll feel cooler, same setup as earlier in the week. Consistent though, you've got to give them that, whatever them is. And with all that sunshine, they'll remind you UV levels are high. Listen, the sprayers are still active, dummies. Just because you are now seeing lines dissipate does not mean that it's normal contrails. You need to understand that contrails only form in very rare conditions, not every plane you see. You should see a contrail every blue moon. If it's every plane, they've changed the mix. End of. So get your vitamin D, but not too much. Don't stay out too long. Cover up, protect your eyes. Sun's brilliant for you, apparently. Just dangerous enough to need constant warnings. Makes sense. Into the evening, chance of light rain in eastern Scotland, and that low cloud pushes further west, while, right on cue, another band rolls up from the southwest. Two systems meeting overnight. Perfectly timed again. Just the weather doing its thing, yeah? Cloudier night for most, a bit of rain in western Scotland and Northern Ireland, but many staying dry. And with that blanket overhead, temperatures won't drop as much, unless you get a clear gap. Then suddenly it's freezing. Pick your version. Sunday morning, less of a chill. Through the day, more cloud overall, still some sunshine breaking through, thicker cloud across Scotland with outbreaks of rain. Maybe a few spots elsewhere, but most places staying dry, just not as blue as it was before everything arrived. Temperatures still above average, mid to high teens, maybe low 20s in the south. If you're out running around London, might feel a bit too warm, or just exactly as warm as it's meant to be. Looking ahead to next week, Monday could bring some heavier, showery rain, possibly thundery, systems sliding down the east. Not guaranteed though, never is. Further west, staying drier with higher pressure in charge, again. And beyond that, signs of things settling down. Fine, dry for a while, but whether that lasts to the bank holiday, well, I think you already know how that usually goes. I have been Kentrell, and that was your forecast. Kind of. Don't forget, if you watched it and you liked it, share it for others to have a giggle. Don't forget to follow Liam Stoneley, anywhere he ain't currently banned from. Bye for now.